Hi everyone, if you're watching my previous video when I did grinding and leveling a room with big hump, right there was very huge hump. Now I'm doing next step. I need to smooth it out sides of the self-leveling compound when I level with straight edge, and then when it's flat, nice and no any imperfection, so I can start to do gluing down floor. For gluing down, always using Bona, and this time I'm using Bona Quantum Flow. It's very liquid glue. I choose this glue because this glue it's more liquid than other one, and I have time in this hot summer period to glue the floor, and I'm sure this glue not drying before I install whole planks. So this is the point. I joined the existing floor with this floor. Thickness was exactly the same, 9/16, only groove doesn't fit together. With tongue from existing floor, what I did, I took table saw and make groove bigger and connect both floors. Now just I'm doing step by step gluing the floor. When I install the one line of the floor, I always using the blocks with hot glue. You see what I'm doing now to keep out of movement floor. You know, sometimes when I did before, floor was bended and was a huge problem now. So when I make one line, I put blocks. I hope you will use it too, and then install the floor. Next day, when glue is settled, I just open the door in the closet, remove the blocks, and then install closet floor in the closet. So it's much more easy than, you know, when floor is not settled, you just trying to install the closet or some small rooms. This is my trick, you know, you can use it too. So if you remember, tiles was lower than that hump, and still we have some bevel. The end of the video you will see how floor is a little bit bended. On middle it's still higher. You know why I didn't grind so much? Because there is a radiant heat pipes. This is a really tricky situation. I was very careful to grind in that floor, and customer, you see, customer wants to get the floor flush with tile. I did it. If you have a look on the baseboard, on the under the windows, it's, you know, with slightly sloping down to the tile. Not much, but it's really looks nice. And if you don't know about this hump on the middle, you never see and feel this problem. You see, it's flush with tile this floor. So gaps I cover with shoe bases. Customer was so happy and gave me a nice review on the Google Map. This video is specially made for guys who ask me how to install floor in a room where is a big hump on the middle. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.